this bird's tail for good luck. And we'll send him on his way. Ready?
Yeah. Something if you came back down.
All right, so thank you all so much for coming. There's a lot more going on today. If you don't have your schedules yet, you can check back over at guest services. For those of you that didn't take a tour of the Owlwood, immediately following the demonstration over in the Owlwood, we're going to have some docents over there with some barn owl chicks, which are a lot of fun to see. They're about 2.5 weeks old, so if you haven't been to see them yet, I'd encourage you to take a trip over there. There's also food available over behind you to my left. The King of Pops is there with some delicious popsicles. Harris Newton is back there with some delicious pizzas. The Bee Calls is back there with honey samples for you.